Yeah, so we're just gonna get the stuff cooking real quick. It sounds like looks pretty good stuff. Oh look, check this out. Check this out. This piece I'm wearing real quick. We'll come over here. Praise God and only her. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Look over here. Check this out, guys. Check this out. You see over here? There's a little fringe. You see the fringe? You see how? So this is like an adhesive paper. It's supposed to bond with the fabric. That's what makes it so it doesn't be so this fucking fabric. Because without it, it'll just fringe like crazy. It's kind of hard to tell. Let's see if I can get it. There you go. So it's kind of hard to tell, but you see how like if it was just the fabric itself, it'd be really hard to sew. So you put it on this adhesive bond paper thing. Gives it like an extra layer. But what we gotta do, since it's not sticking right there, we're just gonna hit it again with the iron. That's simple, bro. We already got the iron going. I cook pancakes up in that bitch, bro. It's right there. It's not chopped up real quick, and then we just hit it with the iron. Let it sit for a little bit. Pull it up. We sauced up, bro. And it's not. And like I said, this is all temporary. It's not until you sew it for real that it gets it. Oh, I'm fucking it up over here. It's not until you start sewing. The sewing is what finishes it. What makes it. You know what I'm saying? I've cut out all the pieces already. All the pieces been chopped up out of the fabric. Now, it's like, what after you cut out all the pieces, you gotta fucking sew them together, right? But to make things a little easier, I use this baby right here called Liquid Stitch or Unique Stitch. It's just like fucking sewing with a tube. It's very temporary. Don't think you can actually use this shit and fucking sew shit. I mean, you probably could, but it wouldn't look good. So I do that too. I'm gonna glue it. Holds it in place. It's like fabric glue pretty much, and then first you put the placements on there, glue that bitch up, stick that hoe, we good. Good little thing to do when you glue this bitch down is don't add too much glue, because you know how when you were a kid and you were doing like arts and crafts and you put too much like of the liquid, the Elmer's glue, and it came all liquidy and you could kind of see it through the papers and shit like that. Yeah, you don't want that to happen here. And also, you want to just let this bitch, you just want to press it into the fabric, let it sit for like 30 minutes to an hour. The longer the better, but 30 minutes it's set. It says so. You don't want to heat this at all until it's dry. I wouldn't want to heat this at all until like 24 hours or more after, because you just don't want to damage and ruin the stick. You don't even need to heat it. This bitch does a good job. So shout out to Unique Stitch. It's just sponsored this hoe. So this one's glued up. Gotta glue this bitch, and then I'm gonna glue the broken pieces. All right, you want to add some weight up into this bitch when you're putting that bitch. So I added a pallet. So I kept it clean. I put some boxes on the hoe. It's been like an hour, maybe less, like 45 minutes since I glued it. Oh God, we lost one. God damn it. So you know how this shit fucked up right there real quick? Good thing I was about to throw this away. See, this already has the adhesive paper on there. So all I'm gonna do is just trace a new one using the fabric. It's not usable, so I'm gonna have to cut another one out. Yeah, dude. Glue it on that bitch. Alright.
I got the shit. Wanna see it? Hopefully this works. Looks like it's working, boys. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! I forgot to show you guys. Doesn't even matter, though, because I'm just sewing out with a zigzag stitch, like a dip, you know what I'm saying? This is my good old trusty baby right here. We call him Ken. What's up, Ken? Ken, he's gonna do a good job, right, Ken? That's it. I'll show you guys when I'm done. That's pretty much it. I'll show you guys when it's fucking done. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yo, so I forgot to show you fucking clowns. I just realized that my microphone's broke, so my audio probably sounds so bad. But I ended up sewing 5 of these motherfuckers. I can only find 2. We went to the snow. I made a red one, but that's an older one. I made that one before I made these. Anyways, I ended up making 5. I don't know what happened to the other 3. We went to the snow, all 5 of us. You know what I'm saying? 5 motherfuckers wearing this shit, and I don't know what happened to the other ones. But I got a red hoodie over here as well. The only thing that these are missing are the circle of life stitching. The circle of life, that little circle, that little tag, shebang. But yeah, this is pretty much it, boys. The only thing the only thing I don't like about this bonding paper is that it makes that plasticky ass noise. You hear that? At first I was like, I kind of like it because it's a broken back, so it's like your back kind of sounds like it keeps breaking. But this one is with a different type of bonding paper, and you see it's very
It's just like all fabric, and I like that a lot better. It feels more high quality than this, you know. So, but that was it. Made 5 of them. Broken back. So yeah, oh fuck, this is way too bright. So yeah, you already know what the fuck it is, boys. Johnny motherfucking Righteous. I just made some motherfucking skeletons for you. And I don't know, I always do this. I told you it's because I get nervous. Sorry for the cursing. I'm trying to be a better human. It ain't so bad. Anyways, peace out. Suck a motherfucking dick, boy.